Station for the discussion for it. Don't forget the Elbe unrelevant Information. Für eine reibungslose Ablauf bitte Sie ausschließlich Ihre Gewünschte.
Definitely a different Elbe than the one we started off with. It is so wide up here. Well, looks like I'm downtown Cuxhaven. I'll have a closer look and then head over to my lodging, where I have to wait for 2 hours before I can get in there. It's only 11:30. That's fine. I just hope the rain stays away for a bit. Come to sunny Cuxhaven, they say. Well, it is raining. Wow, the first ray of sunshine today. I'm almost closing in on my endpoint of this whole trip, I think. Hopefully the wind will subside a little bit. What a cute little things to sit in. Well, I am very much closing in on the end point of this whole trip. 12 days of cycling in total, I think, or maybe 13 with this sort of bonus episode. And yeah, so much fun. I can wholeheartedly recommend it. It does help if you have a bit of a tailwind, and not the bit that I had today. But well, the sand actually is blowing into my cars. Quite hurtful. So I think up ahead is the point where officially the Elbe River flows into the sea, or vice versa. And yeah, I think that's a good end point of this whole series. So I hope you enjoyed it even mildly, and I hope to see you in the next video or series. Until then, enjoy your ride and stay safe out there. See ya, bye!